Hi guys, welcome to Teachers In. So today we'll discuss about Delhi Public School Kollam, Kerala. They are looking for a lot of various teaching and non-teaching professional. So let's go to their website and we'll see the details. So you can see here, this is the official website of Delhi Public School Kollam, Kerala. We'll see here the career. You can see here one option is there, that is career. So we'll click here. So once you click here, you can see their official notification. So they have mentioned here that Delhi Public School Kollam invites applications for the following post. Required teaching faculties and coaches for our schools. Apply now online and our HR team will get back to you. So application procedure is very simple. They have mentioned you have to only send your details to them, to their mail ID, and after that they will coordinate with you. So you can see the details. Vacancies requires staff, teaching staff, PGT teacher. For PGT they are looking for math, physics, chemistry, biology, computer science, accountancy, economics, sociology, political science. For them they are looking for like postgraduate candidate with BEd degree should be there, like MFA painting and home science. They are looking for only postgraduate degree. For fashion studies and French studies, they are looking for graduate or PG. If you have PG, then it is good, but if it is graduate also, it is okay for fashion studies and French. For non-teaching staff also, you can see here a lot of non-teaching staffs are there, like finance manager, accounts manager, front office executive, admission coordinator. So for finance manager, they are looking for CA, CMA or ICWA equivalent degree. For accounts manager, they are also looking for CA Inter and MCom or Masters in Finance or MBA something. For front office, they are looking for any graduate, should be little bit good in English communication. And for admission coordinator, postgraduate or graduate, English language fluency is must. So you can see here, the above candidates should possess an appearance of minimum 5 years in their respective fields. So with that, whatever position they have mentioned, with this position, with this qualification, you should have minimum 5 years of experience. Interested candidate to send their updated resume along with the latest photograph to this mail ID. Whatever mail ID they have mentioned, you can see here there are 2 mail IDs. So you can send your updated resume with your all qualification and experience to this mail ID. Once you send your mail ID, then their HR people will be coordinate with you. Before sending this thing, here you can see another 2 numbers are there. Contact number is there. You can also give a call to them. You can ask them what is the procedure and how can I send my application or whatever. And regarding all these details also you can ask for, like a salary and other things. So timing, everything you can ask. So you can send your updated resume to this mail ID, or you can also contact through this number. Actually they have not mentioned any specific date for when you can send and what is the last date for application. So once you see this video, so you just start sending your updated resume to them. So they have not mentioned anything, means you can send anytime. So if there will be any vacancy, means definitely their HR people will give a call to you. So this is the details, and I will also mention this link in my description. You can also download from there. So this is the details. So before leaving, I want to say our Teachers In channel is fully dedicated to teachers, those who are looking for teachers related any studies, teachers related any competitive exam, teachers related any jobs. So they can subscribe our channel. In future, if there will be any update, so you can get it from here. Apart from this, you can also follow our social media sites like Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn, so that any notification will come immediately, you will get that notification. So thank you, all the best.